Okay, radio.
Okay, so I think this started with our first batch. We have the radio on farm. Because farmers have noted for years that cows love music and they produce more milk. And we know that our chickens are more content when they have music. So, time for radio.
Any particular type of music? Or?
Well, our current big girls, the adult twins, seem to prefer country music. Although we have played Christian music.
And classical music.
Classic. Probably not that one.
Recommended jewel.
Probably not that one. That's hard rock.
106. Oh, shoot.
It's gonna keep going until I lock into one.
Donald Trump has
I won't go backwards.
It won't go back.
It's an old radio.
That's country stuff.
Okay.
There we go.